In this video, we'll showcase how Chapter Tool converts Final Cut Pro markers into ready-to-use metadata for YouTube. Let's start with the project setup. The integration between Final Cut Pro and Chapter Tool begins with timeline management. In this project, several chapter markers have been set to define the chapter structure for the final video, whether for YouTube or other compatible platforms. Note that, in addition to standard chapter markers, generic markers have also been intentionally included. This setup is designed to demonstrate one of Chapter Tool's advanced features, its flexible processing of various types of timeline metadata. Once the reference points on the clip are finalized, the workflow proceeds with exporting the project's XML file for external processing. Moving to the Chapter Tool interface. The minimal design features an Import FCPXML button at the top, allowing you to browse via Finder or simply drag and drop the file into the central drop zone. In this instance, the application identifies 6 chapter markers and 2 standard markers. A key feature here is the option to either include or ignore these standard markers. This provides essential flexibility if generic markers were used instead of chapter markers during the editing process in Final Cut Pro. We will include them now to demonstrate their management. An automatic alert informs us that, as YouTube requires a marker at 0, the app has generated a start marker to ensure compliance. Within the generated list, each chapter can be edited or deleted. Entering edit mode allows for text revision. Any changes made to the original XML data are highlighted in yellow, while standard markers remain highlighted in blue. The merge function at the top right enables the consolidation of 2 or more chapters while maintaining global synchronization. The resulting text combines the content of the merged segments and remains fully editable. Regarding timing, the toggle at the top manages timecode rounding, a specific requirement for YouTube. The default safe start mode shifts the marker to the previous whole second, ensuring the chapter triggers correctly. Alternatively, the nearest second option rounds the timecode to the closest second. Once the review is complete, the Copy for YouTube button copies the formatted data to the clipboard, ready to be pasted into the video description within YouTube Studio. We are now in the video details section of YouTube Studio. Once the main description is entered, simply click within the text field and paste the metadata previously copied from Chapter Tool. As you can see, the application has correctly formatted the chapter list, including rounded timecodes and their respective titles. YouTube will automatically recognize this structure to generate interactive segments on the video playback bar. In just a few steps, we have transformed Final Cut Pro timeline markers into a professional chapter structure, web-optimized and ready for publishing. Chapter Tool stands as an essential utility to streamline creator workflows and ensure maximum precision for video metadata.